we shall discuss mixed grouping of cells. That is, cells connected in series as well as there is a parallel combination. Mixed grouping of cells. In this case, we establish or we deduce an expression for current through the combination, and then we will find the condition to get the maximum current. Now let us consider a number of identical cells, each of EMF small e and internal resistance small r are arranged in m rows, and each row contain m cells. First, we connect small n number of cells in series, and that forms a line, and we take similar line, m number of similar lines, and these lines are connected in parallel, and then this arrangement of cells is connected to an external resistance capital R. Now see here. Here are n number of lines, n number of cells. Each cell EMF is E and internal resistance small r. This is one line, and we take small m number of line, same. This second line, dot dot dot. All these are connected in parallel combination. This is n number. Is it clear? N number of cells connected in series, n number of connected in series, n number of cells connected in series, and these lines, number of lines are m, and this combination is connected to an external resistance capital R. This is capital R. Now, since n number of cells connected in series, so total EMF of n cells, total EMF in n cells in a row is any. Any is the what? Any is total EMF of n cells connected in series, that is in a row. That is total EMF of each row is NE, right? Since m rows are connected in parallel, so the net EMF of the combination will be equal to EMF of cells in one row. Therefore, we can say that total EMF of the combination E equals to NE. Now the internal resistance. Internal resistance of each row, internal resistance of each row will be equal to R plus R plus R dot 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 n times, that is NR. Now this NR m number of NR resistance connected in parallel, therefore net or the total internal resistance of the combination. If R dash is the total internal resistance of the combination, then we can write 1 by R dash is equal to 1 by NR plus 1 by NR plus dot dot dot. How many number? M number. M number. That means we can write M by NR. Therefore, R dash is equal to NR by M. This is the total internal resistance of the combination. Therefore, total resistance is R plus R dash, and therefore the current I, current through the combination or the current flowing through the circuit, I will be equal to capital E divided by R plus R dash, or we may write capital E is small n small e divided by capital R plus R dash is NR by M, or we may write NE divided by LCM is small n, therefore MR plus NR, or we can write MNE divided by MR plus NR. This is the current flowing through the combination. I equals to MNE divided by MR plus NR. This is the total current flowing through the circuit. Now we are going to find the condition to get the maximum current. Then, or we may say the condition for I maximum. Now, I will be maximum when the denominator of the expression of I, or the denominator of this expression is minimum. That means I will be maximum when this term, that is MR plus NR, will be minimum. If this is minimum, then this term will be maximum, and for that case we get the maximum current from the circuit. And see here, MR plus NR can be written as root MR whole square plus root NR whole square, or we may write this as root MR minus root NR whole square plus 2 root MR into root NR. Now see here, this term is always positive. Minimum value of this term is 0. Minimum value of this term is 0. That means this will be minimum if this is 0, because this term is positive. Right? Therefore, MR plus NR is minimum, or will be minimum if MR plus NR will be minimum if this is 0, or we may write root MR equals root NR, or we may write M into R is equal to small n into small r, that is capital R equals to M small r divided by N. This is the condition to get the maximum current, that is external resistance to be connected. The value of external resistance to be connected with this combination will be equal to N into small r divided by capital M to get the maximum current through the circuit. Now, the maximum current, what will be the maximum current? In that case, the maximum current I will be equal to MNE 2 capital R. Or we may write also this as MNE divided by MR can be replaced by small nr. Then we get MNE divided by 2N into R. That means the maximum current is ME by 2R. This is the maximum current, right, through the circuit.